guys, and welcome back. What a crazy day here once again in the market. Even though we go sideways, I believe that here in the next 12 hours we will see here a spectacular move for Bitcoin, and I will definitely also show you why I believe this. So, and don't forget guys, if you are an experienced trader and you want to follow my trades, then you can get here under the pinned comment under each video of mine. You can still claim your $9,200 in bonuses for $1,100 on Bybit with my affiliation link, and on Phemex also $5,100 with my affiliation link. So now let's get here directly into the Bitcoin chart. Here you can see that we broke it to the upside, as I had mentioned a couple days back. That this will be the most likely scenario here for Bitcoin. And while we were breaking up, we were forming here this bull flag. So, and this bull flag broke also here to the upside. The technical target is still all the way up here at $43,000. So, but I told you also, I don't expect that we go here in a straight line up to this target. So now we can see that this is actually also not the case. So, which is absolutely fine. So, and it looks like right now that we are forming here this falling wedge, and this falling wedge is, in my opinion, ready to break out to the upside, especially as we see right now with that falling wedge, another move here to the upside with this freshly newly opened 1 hourly candle here in green, pumping right now to the upside. So why do I believe that we will here break out now? So first of all, the stochastic RSI is flattening here in oversold conditions, which is pointing to another move here to the upside. And when I zoom in here into the candles, if this 1 hourly candle closes a little bit higher, let's say here at $41,900, then we have here a morning star pattern that is a candlestick pattern, which is also an indication that we have locally bottomed here and will then reverse back to the upside. So I did not have for a couple of days a look on the EMA ribbons. I also want to have a look what they are actually doing here. So there we are right now in the getting supported from the middle string here. And for people that are quite for a while already here around on this channel, they know when we're in the middle of the ribbon and we're getting supported there, usually we get a move above the ribbon and continue then here to go to the upside. So for everybody that's actually not new to the channel, don't forget, if you enjoy this content, to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates and the free trading calls that I give here basically every day for free on this channel. So right now the price is squeezed between here the third and the fourth string of the EMA ribbon. But like I said, we are here in oversold conditions on the 1 hourly chart, and I expect here in the next 1 or 2 hours a further move to the upside. We can also see when we go now to the daily chart, something that we should pay attention to, and that is here this bullish cross that we got. So right now they are tangled together again, the 20 and the 50 exponential moving average. So normally what I would have liked to see is that the 50 gets here straight over the 20 in white gets here straight over the red 50. So, and that would have then also basically gave Bitcoin more fuel to move here to the upside. So right now we see here a red candle, which doesn't have to be bad in the immediate short term. So we have still here almost 13 hours to change that. So even though if we don't change it and we kind of stay around the $41,700 level and get then the next kind of moving here to the upside, it's also absolutely fine, because then with tomorrow's candle we will see then this bullish crossover again and a move here continue to the upside. Then here on the weekly charts, and that is what's really important today. On the weekly chart, I would love to see here in the next 13 hours a move above the $42,600 level here, this red line. Oh, sorry, now I moved it. That's what I would really like to see. If we don't get above this, then I'm still not that much concerned, because I believe then the next weekly candle will bring us above this level, and then we are off to the races to the next resistance at $47,000, $48,000, $53,000. Approximately. So the most important thing on the weekly chart is that we get here also this bullish crossover on the MACD, where the blue line, the trend line, gets over the red signal line, and we'll go then here back into a bull trend based on the MACD. So, and if we stay around the prices that we're having right now, we should actually get this cross with today's weekly close. So let me go back here to the daily to identify here some other support and resistance levels based on the VPVR. There we will have a quick look. So here, based on the VPVR, you see right now, based on the VPVR, we are kind of in no man's land, because under us here at $40,500 is the next longest bar, and then up here the next longest bar is at $47,258. Exactly what I have shown you on the weekly chart, that kind of range, is here also represented on the daily chart on the volume range as resistance. So here, this smaller long bar here, that is giving us right now a little bit of resistance. That's why Bitcoin is not moving above 42,000, but I believe in the next coming hours and days we will smash through this and continue to move here higher. So then I have obviously still my trade going on here my open position. So right now it's still slightly in a profit. It was already $2,000 today in a profit, but I did not take profits because I know where this is going. So, and you see it's almost a $250,000 trade, and I will let this run at least to 44,000 before I'm taking here any profits. I think also my take profit is around this level. 43,000. I might change this depending on how this weekly candle is closing and the next one starting out. Based on that, I'm gonna decide this. So, but if you're on the sideline and you want to trade, then you can definitely do this. You should just wait for a break here out of this falling wedge here to the upside. Once we are getting here a break, let's say above $41,900, and a 1 hourly or 4 hourly candle close has happened, then at this point I would open a long position here all the way up to the technical target, which is $42,424. But don't forget, we have then still this higher bull flag target from this bull flag all the way up here to $43,240. So I think, I was not mistaken with that. So that are the two next targets that I would look into once we are breaking out of this falling wedge pattern. So, and obviously you can trade this on Phemex, where I'm trading right now, or on Bybit, and that is actually the exchange that I like much more. And like I said in the beginning, you can still claim bonuses on Bybit, $4,100, and on Phemex $5,100 respectively. So now let's have a look here quick into Ethereum. Ethereum is also right now in a falling wedge pattern here. Also here I expect a break to the upside, because we are so close to this horizontal support level down here, which in my opinion will not break that easy. Yes, this is sitting around the $2,900 level. So, but Ethereum will also most likely run into this horizontal resistance here at $2,974 before we will see here a continued move above $3,000. So this has proven to be here strong resistance. Here we can see that. Here we can see that also here. So we have a lot of touch points along this resistance level, and that is quite hard for Ethereum to break through right now. So, but I still believe that we're going to do this also in the next couple of days. Here, based on the EMA ribbon, there we are not looking as good as on Bitcoin on the 1 hourly chart, because it is already contracting again, and the yellow string wants to work its way down into the ribbon, which is in the immediate short term not really bullish. But as long as the ribbon is not flipped, there is still hope for that the price will recover and bounce here back to the upside above the ribbon, and we will continue this uptrend. So we can also see here in the past that from time to time this is happening, where we get contractions and then the ribbon is actually continuing. So we can see here was a contraction where we got then another pump here to the upside, and Then also here we got a contraction, continue to pump to the upside. So, and also way back up there, also here you can also see it, also here contraction, and we got then from the bottom of the ribbon another leg to the upside. So you see this is repeating over and over again on the EMA ribbon. So we have just to wait here a little bit if we actually break under the ribbon, or we will see here another move to the upside. So, but when I look here on the stochastic RSI for Ethereum, also here you can see we are in oversold conditions for quite a while already. So here I expect also a pump back to the upside. Then something else that I wanted to show you guys here on APECOIN. So APECOIN has actually broken out of this symmetrical triangle here to the downside. So the downside target is sitting at $9.93, 70 cents approximately. So this can still go here a little bit lower, but then we should also see here a reversal back to the upside, especially where today Phemex has announced that they have listed APECOIN. So this is a tier 1 exchange that has now listed on their spot market to trade ape. So once the news has spreaded a little bit, I expect also then from this news event a little pump here back to the upside for APECOIN. So if APECOIN would basically continue to get lower here, then the next strongest level of support would be around here the $8.65 level, and that would be then a region where I would look into to buy more ape if you are holding some ape coins. Guys, that's it already for today. Again, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my paid signals if you want to enjoy amazing profits. The link is also in the pinned comment and in the video description, and I will see you again tomorrow.